Hey guys, welcome back to The Buzz. I'm Tiara Bree, and today I'm with Zach Lever of DMPH Law. How are you?
Doing well. Thanks for having me.
Thank you for joining us. So what is DMPH?
DMPH stands for Driver McAfee, Peek Hawthorne. Like any good law firm, there's lots of names and the name of the firm. So we're a transactional law firm, boutique transactional law firm based in Jacksonville. We have practice areas in the areas of corporate, real estate, tax, land use, intellectual property, and technology.
Awesome. And do you all do just residential or just commercial? Both?
Primarily commercial.
Okay.
One of our affiliates, Home Guard Title and Trust, does real estate closings. So we have the ability to do real estate, but our primary focus is commercial.
Okay. And then with landlord-tenant cases, do you work more so with the leasing or getting them started, or do you work with minor disputes between landlords and tenants? How does that work?
Yeah, well, one thing that's interesting about our firm is we don't do litigation. We don't do disputes, really. We are a transactional law firm, meaning we put the deals together.
Okay.
And so we, project focused at the beginning. And so we come in and we help clients that are looking to buy, sell, lease, develop, finance, otherwise operate real property assets. And that's my department. I can speak more to the real estate side of things. And so as soon as the parties are looking to sue each other, we bow out. So that's that's when we punt to another firm that specializes in litigation. So for us, it's pretty cool that we only do the deals, we do the projects, which really is kind of a different mindset. It's more of a creative, constructive, more positive, I think, mentality.
Yeah, that is pretty unique. So if somebody wanted to open up a business and they felt they had their team together and everything, and then they're just not knowing where to start, they would come to you for that?
Absolutely, yes. So our corporate department is really great about getting businesses set up. Set up your LLC, your corporation. There's tax filings that have to be done. They'll do everything you need to do to get set up so you can forget about all the legalese and just focus on the business.
Okay, and what type of things do people come to you most for? Is it more so opening up these businesses?
Absolutely, people do that. There's a lot of existing businesses, larger corporations too, that have ongoing corporate needs, restructurings and other corporate things. For me, I work with real estate clients, so usually it could be a large real estate investment trust that's selling a big office building. Could be a local individual or nonprofit that owns real property that's looking to either lease it or sell it, liquidate it. Obviously, the landlord-tenant stuff we do as well. So on the landlord and the tenant side, getting people set up in their spaces and getting the leases done. Also, financing projects. To get a big real estate project done, you need debt and equity. So sometimes we'll help with the joint venture, getting the equity, private investors involved, and then work with the bank to get the debt in place so you can finance a project and get it done.
Definitely seems helpful, these services you all offer.
Well, thank you.
What do you think makes you all unique at your firm?
Well, I think the fact that we only do transactional is different. We do a larger volume of these types of transactions, and so we really have a lot more insight on them, and we've seen every angle, we've been on every side, so we have a lot to offer there. One thing that's really unique too is our attorneys came from larger international law firms. The firm was founded in 2004. And so these attorneys used to charge exorbitant rates. And now at a smaller, medium-sized law firm, we've got the lower overhead. We can offer these high level of services at really affordable rates. It really makes sense for local businesses, individuals, nonprofits, but the huge companies think it helps their bottom line too. So really it works out for everybody.
And Jacksonville is definitely growing rapidly right now. So if somebody wants to contact you or need help with something like that, how could they reach you?
Through the website's a great way to do it, dmphlaw.com, or you can Google Driver McAfee, Peek Hawthorne.
Perfect.
And you'll find us on Google.
Well, thanks, Zach, for joining us.
I appreciate it. Thanks for having me.
My pleasure. And thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you next time at The Buzz.